Hi everybody, this is Christopher from Finally Here Hearing Aid Center. I hope everybody is comfortable and having a nice day. So part of our hearing test, the first thing is we want to look inside your ear. The nice part about it now is we have a camera that we place inside the ear canal, and you and your family member or friend we can all look together. So what we're looking for is anything unusual, first of all. Now I make this clear, I am not a medical doctor, but we're looking for anything that jumps out as unusual. If that part is good, then we're looking for earwax to see if it is blocking off your ear or if it's just a minor thing. With earwax, if there is some in there, we will address that first. It could be as simple as getting some drops for your ears or having to get them flushed. Either way, though, we will make sure we do it correctly where you can see it and you will be involved. Remember, when you hear better, you live better.